Good morning, Jen.
Good morning.
Yep, got all three of them screaming at the same time. Dance vlogs. Watch this. On your mark, get set. Well, hello. Happy Friday, March 24, 2017 to you. Yeah, look at that. You're such a little chugger. And why not hit up a fish fry? That's right. We're going to stop down to the Phoenix Volunteer Fire Hall. This is what we call fish fry. They got fryers. They cook it all right here. It's all fresh. Where fish dinners are only $10, baked and fried. Stuck feeding the baby. Well, we met up with Jenny's sister and husband and her parents, Pop Up and Moo for some Friday evening fun. That's what she said. Well, this is lovely.
Oh, way to go. Way to go. It looks like tar.
It's so syrupy that it's not flowing very well.
Tomato stew is astounding. Lay off, I'm starving.
Lay off me, I'm starving.
Someone is just not happy here at the fish fry. They're learning all about this fire truck.
How long is like oh, what's that thumbs down? Benny Boo.
Benny Boo. Today is April 2nd, 2017. We just got back from a great church service. These guys were little angels, to say the least.
Boys and girls that listen at church get to have a donut. Did you listen at church? No. Were you jumping up and down and hitting Mama because I said no for donuts?
Through an epic meltdown during church service prayer.
Were you quiet?
That was awesome, especially for the folks behind us.
Was Cash a good listener? No, he had to have a timeout. He had to go leave and have a timeout.
I had to escort him down the steps and down into
So,
yeah.
No donuts for bad behavior. You only get donuts for good behavior.
We've been rewarding them way too much for being terrors, and it's come to a head. And I knew this day would come.
Next Sunday, you can show me that you can do it. You can be a good listener, and then you'll get a donut. Okay?
True story.
We knew this day was coming.
Music to our